Hi guys, it's Yichen and Vitor here from Cutover. We are doing a live demo of Cutover working alongside AWS Service Catalog with a front-end integration, which enables anyone to be able to stand up a AWS service without having to go into the AWS console at all. And Vitor, I'll pass it to you.
Thanks, Yichen. So let's walk through the setup in AWS first. So on Service Catalog, we have the concept of portfolios. So at the moment, we have 3 portfolios on our account. We are interested on this Linux desktop product. So in here, we can see our cloud formation template, where you can do things like this. So you can set parameters. So we have key name is actually a parameter that we're passing from our microservice, and that's basically an SSH key that allowed us to get into the EC2 instance. But we could have something else. We could have, for example, the initiator email of a person that starts a task in Cutover, and then we could use it further down the stack to for example, to tag the instance. So yeah, this is our AWS setup. So if I now move to the Cutover side of things, what we have is this runbook. There's a small runbook just to demonstrate how we could do a migration from a Linux server from on-prem to AWS cloud. And what we can do here, we have this launch Linux desktop task, and this is integration task. What we can do is we can search for that engineering tools portfolio, and that should return the 3 products that we saw before. So this is the one we're interested in. So the Linux desktop product that we want to launch. So we can save that. And what this allowed us to do is when we trigger this automated integration, we will pass this as payload to our microservice, and then you will tell it what to do in AWS. So if I now run the runbook in live mode, so we can demonstrate that. So we would be communicating to the cloud team that we are ready to start. We would be looking for a change requests approved. So in our case, we can say that yes, change request was approved. And that should fall in this check task. So yes, we are ready to proceed. And then we have our automated integration. So when we start that, what we're doing is we're talking with our microservice that should hopefully create our Linux desktop service in automated way. So we should have a response. There we go. So we have a record ID and we have a status created.
Perfect.
And now we can pass to the QA team.
Nice. Shall we quickly look at the console now that the runbook is complete?
Sure. So let's go back to AWS. So we have this section, provision product. So as you can see, he's going under change. So that's our cloud formation template being applied to AWS. So show you the EC2 instance. We should hopefully see an instance. There we go. So
nice
that
one.
T2 micro is being started. So that's our Linux server. So
thanks, Vitor.
That's it. Yeah, I hope this was helpful.